Nothing CMF brand is set to unveil the CMF Phone 2 Pro on April 28, along with the CMF Phone 2 and new earbuds. Unlike the CMF Phone 1, the CMF Phone 2 Pro will in fact ship with a charger in the box, but only in India. A leaked live image suggests the device may feature a triple camera setup, unlike the dual cameras on the CMF Phone 1. It could include a 50MP Sony primary camera, an ultra-wide sensor, and a telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. A 32MP selfie shooter. The CMF Phone 2 Pro will feature a 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It could be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chip with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. CMF Phone 2 Pro will be backed by a 5000 mAh battery with 50W fast charging support. Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro will likely be priced under 22,000 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.